All right, guys, welcome to the second edition of the 3 things that you should know about tiny homes. In the first edition, the first thing that we said you should know about tiny homes is that typically tiny homes aren't built to any building codes. A park model is alternative housing to tiny homes. Park models are under 400 square feet. And they're built to the ANSI code. That's ANSI, the ANSI code, and it's the same code that RVs are built to. So now I'm going to go over the second thing that you should know about tiny homes. That second thing that you should know is these homes are a lot more expensive than you're led to believe. On the TV and the media, we read about and we see pictures of these beautiful homes, but more times than not, these homes can reach $70, $80, even $100,000. So I can't imagine purchasing a home that's not built to any building codes and paying as much as $100,000. That leads to the third thing that you should know about tiny homes, which I'm going to tell you, but you're going to have to watch the third edition to this video. Please hit that subscribe button. Also, leave your questions in the comment box. In the description, I give you a link to a company where you can research park models. I think that's a great alternative to tiny homes, and you'll really be happy with the product. So please, again, hit that subscribe button. And if you didn't get a chance to watch the first edition to this 3-part video, watch parts 1, 2, 3, 3 things you should know about tiny homes.